वासुदेवेन्द्र योगीन्द्रम् नत्वा ज्ञानप्रदं गुरुम् मुमुक्षूणां हितार्थाय तत्त्वबोधोऽभिधीयते। एतेभ्यः पञ्चीकृत पंचमहाभूतेभ्यः स्थूलशरीरं भवति। एवं पिण्डब्रह्माण्डयोः ऐक्यं सम्भूतम्। We have completed 3 major topics in this Tattva Bodha. First topic is Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti. Who is the Adhikari? That qualifications required to study this Tattva Bodha is the first topic. Then second topic is Jiva Vicharaha, the nature of the individual. Jivatma Vichara or Jiva Vicharaha. Then third topic is Srishti Vicharaha. Srishti Vicharaha. What is this creation? How this creation has come into existence. In that we saw as a third topic Brahmashraya Maya. So Brahman is there, infinite principle Brahman. With the help of Maya, Brahman alone became the Akasha. Then from Akasha to Vayu, air principle is born. From where? From Brahman plus Maya. Brahman plus Maya, what is the name? Ishvara. So Ishvara is the creator, means what it means? We say God created the world. God created the world. When we say, this is the procedure. God means Ishvara. Ishvara means not Lord Shiva here. Ishvara means God. God means what? Generator. G stands for generator. O stands for operator. D stands for destroyer. God is one who is the creator of this universe. God is the one who is the ordainer or sustainer of this creation. Operator. G-O. Then God is one into whom the creation merges back. Destroyer. Layakarta. To understand this, first they picturize Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Brahma as the creator, same Maya Sahitam Brahma. First he becomes a 4-headed Brahmaji, Chaturmukha Brahma, Mr. Saraswati. Okay, Mr. Saraswati. So Maya Sahitam Brahmana, who will understand? Therefore, Mr. Saraswati, 4-headed Brahma Jana, everybody likes. Namak oru tala da irukke, avarku 4 tala irukke. And we are attracted to that. 4-headed Brahmaji, Srishtikarta. Then comes Sthitikarta, Vishnu Bhagavan. Brahma, Vishnu. Then Maheshwara, the Layakarta. Same God, one God alone. Just as one woman alone at home, homemaker. When she go to office, she is an employer, bank officer or doctor, engineer. Homemaker alone play the doctor role, and she herself play a mother-in-law role when daughter-in-law comes, and wife role she plays, daughter-in-law role she plays, and daughter role she plays. How many roles one woman is playing? நம்மவே இத்தனை ரோல் ப்ளே பண்ணும்போது பகவான் ஏன் ப்ளே பண்ணக்கூடாது? பகவானே சிருஷ்டிகர்த்தா, பகவானே ஸ்திதிகர்த்தா, பகவானே லயகர்த்தான்னார். So that Bhagavan became the world. What are the four statements you have to remember? First, God exists. God exists. Maya Sahitam Brahma, Sagunam Brahma is called Ishvaraha. Verum Brahman Pata Nirgunam Brahma. If he joins with Maya, he becomes what? Sagunam. Why? Because Maya has got how many gunas? 3 gunas. What are those 3 gunas? Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. So 3 gunas Maya is there. Once Brahma associated with Maya, friendship, no? Their habits also slowly comes to that association. No? Because of association, as though that gunas comes. Brahman become what? Nirgunam Brahma. Gunam illada Brahman enna aduvaru? Sagunam. Gunena saha vartate iti sagunam. Sagunam Brahma is equal to Ishvaraha. Sagunam Brahma minus Maya, Ishvara minus Maya. Okay, Ishvara minus Maya, Nirgunam Brahma. Nirgunam Brahma plus Maya, Sagunam Brahma. Konja quiz puzzle madri. Okay. Sagunam Brahma minus Maya will become what? Nirgunam Brahma nu sollalam. Illenna Ishvara minus Maya என்ன பிரம்மனு? சகுணம் பிரம்ம, நிர்குணம் பிரம்மனா? நிர்குணம் பிரம். கரெக்டாக சொல்லணும். ஓகே, ஈஸ்வரா மைனஸ் மாயா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு நிர்குணம் பிரம்மா. நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். நம்ம சும்மா சிரிச்சுட்டே சொல்லுவா சுவாமினி, அவளை சீரியஸ் இல்லைன்னு நினச்சிக்காங்க. நான் நல்லா சிரிச்சுட்டு தான் சொல்லுவேன். ரொம்ப சீரியஸ் பாயிண்ட் கூட இல்லைன்னா தூங்கிடுவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட். அப்படியா? Ishvara minus Maya is Nirgunam Brahma. Nirgunam Brahma plus Maya is Sagunam Brahma or Ishvara. Sagunam Brahma ni chonnalum, Ishvara ni chonnalum onnuda. So God exists. God ni chonnale enna Brahma? Sagunam Brahma va Nirgunam Brahma? Sagunam Brahma. Whenever I say, immediately you have to remember Ishvara, Maya Sahitam Brahma or Sagunam Brahma. Okay, God exists. Now that Ishvara, Maya Sahitam Brahma, God exists. Point number 1. Number 2, God alone created the world. God alone created the world. Second point. ततः आकाशः सम्भूतः, आकाशाद् वायुः, वायोः तेजः, तेजसः आपः, आपः पृथिवी. God alone created the world. What is the third statement you have to note? God became the world. God became the world. Ishvara alone became the world. That means what? Just as one woman alone became an employer, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, same woman. Okay, similarly same Ishvara appears as space, same Ishvara appears as air, same Ishvara appears as waters, fire, earth, and from that Panchabhutas comes all subtle bodies, subtle bodies. Jnana Indriyani, Karma Indriyani, Pancha Pranaha. All of them have come. Then what happens? From their one guna, Maya's Sattva guna, Jnana Indriyani. Okay, one Sattva guna, one Jnana Indriyam. One Rajo guna, what Indriyam? Last class we saw Karma Indriyam. Okay, from one element, Sattva-guna, one Jnana Indriyam, Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha, Shrotrendriyam, Chakshurindriyam, Granendriyam, Rasanendriyam, Twagindriyam, all came. Similarly, one element, what came? Rajoguna, from Rajoguna of each element, Karma Indriyam, Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu, Upastha. All Karma Indriyas have come. Pancha Karmendriyani, Pancha Jnanendriyani. Knowing sense organs, doing sense organs. What are knowing sense organs? Jnana Indriyani. Because of which guna? Sattva guna. Of whom? Of 5 elements. Then out of Rajoguna, that Karma Indriyas which are doing sense organs have come from Rajoguna of each element. Then what point next? Sattva guna of every element put together, what came? Manaha, Manas, Antahkarana. Sattva guna of all elements put together, mind. Manasirika illiya ipo namakku? Manasirika Swamini, adu eppadipattirukka theriyala, ippadithaan therinjukkanum. All 5 elements of Sattva guna is called mind. Now our mind is made up of what? Sattva guna of space, air, fire, waters and earth. Their Sattva guna is my mind. Then their Rajoguna put together, what? Pranaha. All their Rajoguna put together, Pranaha. So pranas are a Prana Shakti, here Jnana Shakti. Prana Shakti is called Kriya Shakti. Kriya Shakti is called Karma Shakti. Karma Indriya Shakti is called Kriya Shakti. In the Pakka enna Shakti? Jnana Shakti. Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Appo oru Shakti left out in Ichha Shakti. Ichha Shakti comes to Vijnanamaya Kosha. So Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. 3 Shaktis. Okay? Then all these are at subtle level or gross level? Subtle level. Not at grossification took place, no. Later, Jnana Indriyani are ready, mind is ready, Karma Indriyani also ready, then Pranas also ready. What is not ready? Gross body is not ready. So all of them cannot function without gross body. To function in the gross body, they need a gross body. They need a gross body. Otherwise, they cannot function. ஒரு வீடு வேணுமே இருக்கிறதுக்கு இல்லையா? You want to go to a tour. If you want to go to a tour, you go to a tour and take your suitcase and all. After going there, you want to find out a room first. You want to keep that suitcase. Then only you can do all over your works. After going there into that room, you keep the suitcase and open the suitcase and keep everything there. Then you start your work. Whatever, wherever you want to go. இருக்கிற தங்கறதுக்கு ஒரு ரூம் இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? அது மாதிரி these sense organs need a medium. That medium comes only when these 5 elements join together. One guna left out of each element. Inna guna madhi sattva guna distributed. Tamo rajo guna distributed. Which guna has not yet taken part? Tamo guna. And the tamo guna of all elements, what they do? They share each other. You give one tamo guna konja for me, I give my tamo guna to you. How they shared? Panchikaranam ardham artham. First half they keep aside, and in the second half again 4 divisions you do, and 1/8 is distributed to each element. Once you have distributed in each element, all other elements are there or not? All elements are there. Once 1/8 gone to each element, one akashalo ella panchabhutangal irukku, other 4 elements are there. So all of them join together, become gross. Then only you see the waters. Then only you see the fire, you see the earth. This is called gross form what we are seeing. Subtle form you cannot see. That is why subtle body you cannot see. What you can see? Gross body you can see, gross elements you can see. These are all made up of what? Tamoguna. So the body is manufactured by tamoguna of 5 elements. Gross body. Now this gross body is what? Tamoguna of 5 elements. Our sense organs, indriyams are what? Sattva guna and rajoguna of each element. Now understand, in this body, what are all there? Rajoguna is there, Tamoguna is there, Sattva guna is there. All the 3 gunas are there. All the 3 gunas are there, and who is there? Yanda Amma irkaru? Mayavati. Mayavati is sitting here with 3 gunas. Swamini, Maya anna enna? Anu keppom. What is Maya? Maya nannanda. Your form itself is Maya. Why? That Maya Rupam only. The gross body is Maya's Tamoguna. Your sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, all these sense organs, hand, legs, all these are the Sattva Rajas Tamoguna of 5 elements. 5 elements are nothing but Maya's modification. All these are done with the help of whom? Maya alone is doing? Brahman. Appo Brahmanu irukkanume? Avaru irukkar. God became the world. Therefore, in this body, who are all there now? Maya is there, Theriyarthu Swamini. Appo, Brahman engirukkar. What is the Brahman nature? Atma Swarupam Satchidananda Swarupaha. Sat kim trikale api tishtati sat. Chit kim engyo ketna madri irka. This text only we saw previously. Chit kim gnana swarupaha. Irken, nan irken enakku theriyum. Priyarada? I am, I know. I exist, I know. To know, I must exist. If I exist, I should know. சொன்னான லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் ஞாபகம் இருக்க? நான் இருக்கேன், நான் இருக்கேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். எனக்கு தெரியும், எப்படி தெரியும்? இருந்ததுனால தெரியறது இல்லையா? Because I exist, therefore I know. I know means I must exist. Therefore I am what? I am Satchidananda Swarupaha with what? Incidental Maya Trigunatmika Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira and Sthula Sharira. இப்போ பிரம்மன் கூட இருக்காரா இல்லையா? பிரம்மன் என்ன? சச்சித் ஆனந்த ஸ்வரூபம். எப்படி இருக்கார் பிரம்மன்? இருப்பதெல்லாம் இருக்கார். நான் இருக்கேன், எனக்கு தெரியும். சத் ஸ்வரூபம் ஞானஸ்வரூபமாக இருந்து எதில் இருக்கார்? இந்த உடம்புல இருக்கார். அப்போ பகவானே அந்த சைத்தன்யம் பிரம்மா மாயா மாயா இந்த உடம்புக்குள்ள இருக்கார். If you want to claim that Maya, Trigunatmika, Sthula, Sushma, Karana, Shariram, or you want to claim yourself or existent consciousness principle. Anjirika inge. What are they? Sat, Chit, Rundu irukku. Appuram enna irukku? Ananda. Ananda irukku. Sat, Chit, Ananda irukku. These 3 connected to whom? Refer to whom? Atma. And whatever else I am having, when I am saying I am fat, this fatness belongs to whom? Sthula Shariram. I am happy belongs to which Shariram? Sushma Shariram. Okay. This fatness and happiness belongs to the Sthula Sushma Shariram. But I am belongs to the Brahman, Atma Swarupam. In the mixture the I am. Anda Pinda. No? Anda individual. Brahmanda. Pinda Brahmandayo. So here also 5 elements are there. In outside also 5 elements are there. The whole universe is nothing but micro and macro mixture. So you are not separate from. In 10 there is 2 are not. 10 நம்பரில் 2 இருக்கா இல்லையா? 10 நம்பரில் 8 இருக்கா இல்லையா? இன் 2ல 10 இல்லை. In 2 there is no 10, but in 10 there is 2. Similarly, in total you are there. In total you are there, but in individual, total is there or not? Total is there, but அதனால அது வந்து இங்கே எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அது வந்து இங்கே எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Because that alone has become this. This called Pinda Brahmandayoho Aikyam. I am non-separate from Vyashti is called Pindam. Samashti is called Brahmandam. Brahmandam means a total. Total level. All bodies put together, all sarirams put together is called total. From individual level, micro. From total level, macro. Samashti, Veshti Samashti. இந்த ரெண்டுமே non-separable. You cannot separate yourself from the total. Why? We are made up of total only. You cannot separate. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next topic we are entering 4th topic, that is called Ishvara Vicharaha. Another major topic, Ishvara Vicharaha. 3 things are there. First, God exists, God created the world, God became the world, therefore world is God. In the 4 points ஞாபகம் வெச்சுக்கணும். அப்புறம் I am the individual and the world. These two I have studied now. I am the individual and this universe is there. This universe alone is a part here. Well, 5 elements are there. Jagat Vichara, Jiva Vichara, and Ishvara Vichara is left out. Ishvara Vichara. Who is God? Who is God really? The Ishvara Vichara. Let us read that. And what is the relation between this Jiva, Ishvara and Jagat, we have to see later. Okay. Now Ishvara Vichara. Vichara means inquiry. Inquiry into Ishvara. Sthula Sharirabhimani Jivanamakam Pratibimbam Bhavat Brahma Pratibimbam Bhavati Saeva Jivaha Prakrutya Swasmadishwaram Bhinnattvena janati Sthula Sharira Abhimani Jivanamakam Brahma Pratibimbam Bhavati. This is one portion. Brahma Pratibimbam. Pratibimbam means reflection. Reflection of whom? Reflection of Brahman. Brahma Pratibimbam. Bhavati means is there. There is a reflection of Brahman. How is that reflection? How to know that reflection? The more you study, you understand the reflection. This Brahma reflection, in what name it is there? In the reflection, enna peru? Jivanamakam. So once there Brahman is reflecting in the Brahma Pratibimbam Jivanamakam, where this Brahman is reflecting in the Sthula Sharira Abhimani. The Sthula Sharirathila, Sthula Shariram, okay, mirror. Okay, in that Sthula Shariram, once I have Abhimana, Sthula Sharira Abhimana, once that Abhimana means identification. And the identification is there, immediately what forms in the Brahman reflection will form. Consciousness reflection will take place. Consciousness Atma. Consciousness means Brahman. Brahman is another name. English name enna? Consciousness. Brahman ki English name consciousness. The consciousness, just as you stand in front of mirror, immediately what will happen? What reflects? Your face reflects in the mirror. Mukha pratibhimbam. Like that, that consciousness, once it reflects in the RM. RM is what? Sthula shariram. In the Sthula Sharirathik ulla, it reflects. Why it reflects? Because there is Sukshma Shariram. In the Manasla, it reflects. Sukshma Shariram cannot exist without Sthula Shariram. Sukshma Shariram alone cannot function. Okay? And the Sukshma Sharirathila, Sukshma Shariram is in the Sthula Shariram, and the Sukshma Sharirathila in the Brahman, it reflects. Ada Brahma Pratibhimbam Bhavati. Upon the reflection of the consciousness, enna peranna? Reflected consciousness. Reflected consciousness. What is that reflected consciousness peranna? Jiva namakam. Jiva nu peru. Or Chidabhasam nu peru. Jiva or Chidabhasa. In English we can call it as reflected consciousness. Reflected consciousness, that is called Brahma Pratibhimbam. Brahma Pratibhimbam alone is called reflected consciousness. In short form you can write RC. RC take place in the RM. RM is called Sukshma Shariram. RM is Sthula Shariram. RC is Sukshma Shariram. Sthula Shariram RM. RM means what? Reflected medium. Reflected medium irkanam. And the mediathikulla in the Brahman reflect ana udane, what will happen again? Chidabhasa take place. Reflected consciousness take place. Sayeva Jivaha. That reflected consciousness alone is called Jivaha. Chidabhasaha. Chidabhasaha Jivaha Prakritya. By nature. Prakritya means originally, Swabhavena, by nature. Once that reflected consciousness take place in this mind, what will happen? This Sthula Shariram is there. See, Tamoguna Mulama on the Sthula Shariram. And the Sthula Shariram vandavudane in the Sukshma Shariram irukka illyange? You have to highly imaginative here. See, Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, Jnana Indriyani, Karma Indriyani are there. Can they separate from this Tamoguna? Tamoguna, they cannot be separated. Why? Na Tamoguna man product is what? Body. Wherever Tamoguna body is there, there must be Rajoguna, Sattva-guna also. Rajoguna, Sattva-guna in the formula irukku? Jnana Indriyani, Karma Indriyani, Manasu, Prana, Rupathila irukku already. அப்படி இப்படி blink பண்ணக்கூடாது. என்ன தமோகுணம் தான் இருக்க சுவாமி, பாடி இருக்க, எங்கே சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் இருக்குன்னு? சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் ஆல்ரெடி we have discussed. What is that? Manasu, Prana, Jnana Indriyani, Karma Indriyani already there. Once they are there, body has formed. They are already available. அதுக்கு தான் once body available, these sense organs what they did? அபிமானம் வந்தாச்சு. அது வரைக்கும் அபிமானம் வரல. சரீரம் வந்த உடனே சரீர அபிமானம் வந்தாச்சு. என்ன அபிமானம்? நான் ஜீவன் அன அபிமானம் வந்தாச்சு. எப்படி வந்தது இந்த அபிமானம்னா? Because of that consciousness is reflecting here. Reflecting here. Why it is reflecting? Once you stand in front of mirror, your face reflection comes or not? You should not ask, why my reflection is coming there? Do you ask? Why my reflection is coming? You are standing in front of the mirror, reflection comes. Since this body-mind complex has taken place, Brahman is all-pervading, the reflection falls. In that reflection take place. Once the reflection take place, this reflection, who is really belongs to whom? Brahman. Brahma Pratibimbam. So, the reflected face belong to you or to the mirror? Grivastha Mukham, the neck on your head, on your neck, Grivastha Mukham. Okay, Darpanastha Mukham, that reflected face in the Darpanam mirror. Darpanastha Mukham is original Mukham. Where is it? On my shoulders. Which one is real? Close it. This one is real. Grivastha Mukham, Griva vanna neck. Grivastha Mukham alone become Darpanastha Mukham. So Darpanastha Mukham can exist without Grivastha Mukham. Grivastha Mukham anna Mukham anna face, Griva anna neck, Stham anna that which is on the neck. No? Irukka illaya? Grivastha Mukham is original. Darpanastha Mukham is reflection. It cannot exist without the original face. Clear? Like that, this Brahman, original consciousness, reflects in the mind. Then this Brahman becomes the reflection there, and the reflection is called as what? Jivaha. This original RC is called Paramatma, reflects, Brahma Chaitanyam reflects there, called as Jivaha. And enna pannita in the reflection Jivaha, I am original consciousness da, analu, ipu reflection consciousness da theriyaren, ani gnapam irukka vendamo, irukadu. Enna marandita, marand enna pandra, I am Jivatma, I am free from that original. Say, Sada Swasmad Ishwaram Bhinnatvena Janati. Ishvara is different from me. Ishvara's reflection only, this is reflection actually. Ishvara alone became, adi marakudadu malli. Brahman alone became, God became the world and chonnamilliyo. God became the world and the one who is Jiva is none other than God alone. Anal enna itam idlo reflect aana udane maranditom. We have forgotten. Em maranditom edinale next karanam. Why you have forgotten? Why he has to reflect? Why we have to forget? If I forget, what will happen? If I remember, what will happen? ఏదో మిర్రర్ ఫేస్ అన్న పురియదు స్వామిని, ఒరిజినల్ ఫేస్ అన్న పురియదు. బట్ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪುರಿಯ ಮಾಟೇಂಗಿರದನ್ನ. You see, if you are able to understand easily, you need not come to class. Understand? If you are able to understand easily, you need not come to class. You have come to the class for what? என்ன விஷயம் பார்க்கலாம். இது புரியுமா புரியாத நமக்கு. Let us do threadbare analysis. அதுக்கு தான் படிக்கணும். What is the reason once this OC reflects as RC, why this RC takes itself as Jiva and forgets the Ishvara? What is the reason? The reason is given in the next portion. Avidyopadhihi avidyopadhisan atma jivayityuchyate mayopadhihi san ishvaraha ityuchyate. So who is this Jiva and who is Ishvara? Okay. Ishvara and Jiva are, both of them are reflections. Ishvara and Jiva both are reflections. Reflections where reflection must reflect in some medium. Isn't it? reflection can reflect in one medium. அந்த மீடியம் என்னன்னா இந்த ஜீவனுக்கு ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷனுக்கு மீடியம், ஈஸ்வரன் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் மீடியம். இது வந்து ஜீவன்னா இண்டிவிஜுவல் லெவல், ஈஸ்வரன்னா டோட்டல் லெவல். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் அவித்ய உபாதி சன் ஆத்மா ஜீவ இத்யுச்யதே. அவித்ய உபாதி பிரதிபிம்பः சன் ஆத்மா. So where this atma is reflecting, atma is one, it is reflecting in two mediums. Okay, atma is one, there are two mediums. இப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. atma ekaha. When we are studying atma lakshanam, what we say? Atma ekaha. Suppose you stand in front of two mirrors. One mirror is small mirror, another mirror is big mirror. What will happen? Two reflections take place or not? Small mirror lo small reflection, big mirror lo big reflection. But whose reflection? My reflection. My reflection, when I am standing in front of two mirrors, two reflections are there. One reflection of mine is bigger, another reflection of mine is smaller. But I am neither small or big, I am as it is. But this smallness and bigness are because of what? Medium. What medium? Mirror. Priyartho nalla jagrate kelugo. I am standing in front of two mirrors, concave lens, convex lens. And theriyum illaya, convex lens and oru mirror lo neme gunda ipdi irukke, oru mirror lo neelama irukke. I am neither gundu nor tall. Okay, I am as it is what I am. But I appear in two mediums, in two ways. I appear in one mirror small because mirror is small. But the reflection is also small. The smallness of that reflection is not belong to me. The smallness belong to whom? Medium. But the reflection belongs to whom? Me. Amma, puriyaradu. Vishayam puriyaradu koncham. And the bigness, no? In this big mirror, big reflection of whom? Mine. And the bigness is because of whom? Medium. And the big reflection belongs to whom? Reflection belongs to me. The bigness belongs to? Appa. இது பெரிய விஷயம். ஓகே, இது ஒரு இன்வென்ஷன் தான். ஓகே, சின்ன விஷயந்தான், புரியறது கஷ்டம் பாருங்க. And the smallness and bigness belong to the mirrors. Okay, the small reflection and big reflection, and the reflection belong to me. Reflection belong to me, but the smallness and bigness are because of medium size. Okay. Similarly, Ishvara is none other than Atma reflecting in big medium. Jiva is none other than Atma reflecting in small medium. புரியுறதா? இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்றேன். Atma reflecting in total big medium. Whole universe is like a big mirror. Okay, whole universe is like a big mirror. Atma reflecting there. This small body is also another medium. Here also Atma reflecting. Atma is one, reflecting in total mirror. Atma is one, which is reflecting in the individual body mirror. Body is like a mirror. Okay, Atma reflecting. The Atma reflecting in the individual body is called Jivaha. இந்த ஜீவனுக்குள்ள அவித்யா அங்கிறது இருக்கு. அந்த அவித்யால ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆயின்னு இருக்கு. அங்கே என்ன இருக்குன்னா மாயா இருக்கு. அந்த மாயால ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. அதே மாயா அவித்யா. இண்டிவிஜுவல் லெவலில் இருந்தால் அவித்யா, இந்த அவித்யா டோட்டலாக இருந்த மாயான்னு பேர். அவித்யா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு மாயா, மாயா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு அவித்யா. why two names anna? At individual level avidya, at total level it is maya. Atma is one, reflecting in the maya upadhi. Upadhi means medium. And the total upadhi lo maya la reflect ஆகிற கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் ஆத்மா வந்து ஈஸ்வரன் பேர். இதே ஆத்மா இந்த உடம்புக்குள்ள அவித்யாக்குள்ள ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆன ஜீவன். ஸோ ஒரு ஆத்மா இங்கே ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு, அதே ஆத்மா அங்கே டோட்டலில் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. நான் ஈஸ்வர இவர் வந்து ஜீவன். எதனால? அவர் மாயால ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகிறார் ஆத்மா. இந்த ஆத்மா வந்து இங்கே அவித்யாவில் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. அவித்யான்னா இக்னரன்ஸ். அதே மாயா இங்கே இருந்தால் அவித்யா, இதே இக்னரன்ஸ் டோட்டலாக இருந்தால் இப்போ நம்ம ஆல் ஆஃப் அவர் இக்னரன்ஸ் புட் டுகெதர், அவ்வளோதான். ஆல் ஆஃப் அவர் இக்னரன்ஸ் புட் டுகெதர் மாயா. அந்த மாயான்னு தனித்தனியாக பார்த்தா இக்னரன்ஸ், அவித்யா. இதுதான் மாயா வேர்டு, அவித்யா வேர்டு தான் கஷ்டமான வேர்டு புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு. புரியுறதா? பெரிய மீடியம், சின்ன மீடியம். ஹூ இஸ் ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங்? ஒரு ஆத்மா தான் ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங். ஒரு ஆத்மா பெரிய மீடியம்ல ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகும்போது ஈஸ்வரா, சின்ன மீடியம்ல ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகும்போது ஜீவா. என்ன ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங் மீடியம்னா அங்கே மாயா, இங்கே அவித்யா. புரியுறதா? புரியுறது. ஓகே. அவித்யா உபாதி பிரதிபிம்பிதா சன் ஆத்மா. அங்கே நீங்கள் பிரதிபிம்பிதான்னு போட்டுக்கணும். மேலே பிரதிபிம்பிதான்னு போட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, அந்த பிரதிபிம்பத்தை இங்கே கொண்டு வரணும். இட்ஸ் நாட் பிரிண்டிங் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ், யூ ஹாவ் டு சப்ளை. ஆல்ரெடி பிரதிபிம்பித்தம் ஐ ஹவ் டோல்ட் யூ, பட் அந்த பிரதிபிம்பித்தம் when it is micro level, macro level, different names. அதே ஓசி at micro level, macro level gets different names. This Atma Pratibimbitaha San, Avidya Upadhilo Pratibimbitaha San Atma Kim Uchyate? Jiva Ityuchate. This reflected consciousness RC1 here, RC1. இப்போ 3 சரீரம்லாம் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகணும் இங்கே கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். இப்படி எத்தனை சரீரம் இருக்குது நமக்கு இங்கே? 3 சரீரம். என்னென்ன சரீரம் இருக்குது? காரண சரீரம், சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், ஸ்தூல சரீரம். ஆல் சரீரம்ஸ் புட் டுகெதர் வாட்? பிரபஞ்சஹா. ஆல் சரீரம்ஸ் புட் டுகெதர் பிரபஞ்சஹா. ஹியர் 3 சரீரம்ஸ், தேர் ஆல்சோ 3 பிரபஞ்சாஸ். காரண பிரபஞ்ச, சூக்ஷ்ம பிரபஞ்ச அண்ட் ஸ்தூல பிரபஞ்ச. இப்போ இருக்கிற எத்தனை கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ்? ஒரே ஒரு ஆத்மா தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ இனிமேல் நான் ஆத்மா தான் சொல்ல போகிறேன், கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ்ன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டேன். ஏன்னா சம் இங்கிலீஷ் வேர்ட்ஸ் ஐ ஹவ் டு யூஸ், தேர்ஃபார் ஐ எம் யூசிங் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். ஓகே, லெட் அஸ் கீப் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் only. Consciousness, one consciousness reflecting in 3 bodies here, individual bodies, and one consciousness reflecting in big medium. What is that big medium? Universe. Now universe is the big mirror, bodies are the small mirrors. Who is reflecting? One consciousness is reflecting. But each sharirams ki how many reflections? 3 sharirams ki 3 reflections. 3 universes ki 3 reflections. Clear? Now let us see. Sthula shariram, sukshma shariram, karana shariram. Let us give the numbers. Karana shariram is RM1, reflected medium number 1. Sukshma shariram, reflected medium number 2. Sthula shariram, reflected medium number 3. At what level? Individual level, micro level, Vyashti level. I have given only about my body, so I have to Combine all bodies together. Universe. How you have to write there? Karana prapanchaha. Karana prapanchaha, sthula prapancha and sukshma prapancha and sthula prapancha. That Karana prapancha is called RM4. RM4. Sthula prapancha is called RM5. Sukshma prapancha. Sthula jo na no? Sukshma prapancha. And sthula prapancha is called RM6. RM1, RM2, RM3 at individual level. RM4, RM5, RM6 at total level. That means causal world or causal universe, RM4. RM5 is subtle universe, Sukshma Prapancha or subtle world. Sthula Prapancha is gross world, RM6. Gross world or gross universe or Sthula Prapancha are synonyms. Okay. RM6. So RM1, 2, 3 belongs to micro. RM4, 5, 6 belong to macro. RM1, RM2, RM3 belongs to Vyashti. RM4, RM5, RM6 belong to Samashti. RM1, RM2, RM3 belongs to Pinda. RM4, RM5, RM6 belong to Brahmanda. Macro, micro, Vyashti, Samashti, individual, total. Now, in 6 mediums, once 6 mediums are there, how many reflections must be there? 6. 6 reflections. Now come to RM1 lo RC1. RM2 lo RC2. RM3 lo RC3. Reflect conscious number 1 in Karana Shariram. Reflected conscious number 2 in Sukshma Shariram. Reflected conscious number 3 in Sthula Shariram. So RC1, RC2, RC3 over. RM la RC. Medium irukku, reflection irukku. Reflection of whom? Ore Atma, consciousness. Now come to total. RM4, RM5, RM6 lo also must be 3 reflections. So RC4 reflecting in RM4. Very good. RC5 reflecting where? In RM5. What is that RM5? Shushma Prapancha. Then RC6. RC in a reflected consciousness. Number 6. Where it reflects? RM6. Podma confusion? RM6. Reflected medium 6 lo reflected consciousness 6. Reflected medium 5 lo reflect consciousness 5. Reflected medium 4 lo reflected consciousness 4. அப்படி இந்த பக்கம் 3 அந்த பக்கம் 3 டோட்டல் எத்தனை? நமக்குள்ள எத்தனை இருக்கு? Each one of us have got how many? 3 consciousnesses. But இருக்கிற consciousness எத்தனை? Only one consciousness, individual level appearing as though 3, total level appearing as though 3, universal level. இது அண்ட, இது பிரம்மாண்ட. இந்த ஐக்கியம் RM1, RM2, RM3, RM4, RM5, RM6 cannot be one. They cannot be equal. But one is same in every one of them. One is same. Aikyamana identity. Yedi one thing is common in everything. Consciousness. The consciousness is same. Consciousness is only one consciousness. Same consciousness in different mediums. Clear? Now, in the chart vechkonga appadiye. With that you have to see. Maya upadhi san Ishvaraha iti uchyate. And the Karana prapanchamlo, Stula prapancha, Sukshma prapanchamlo reflect ahara consciousness peru Ishvaraha. In the medium, individual medium reflect ahara consciousness kenna peru Jivaha. Mandukya bhashalo chonnanonna you can give names now. So RC1 ke what name? Prajnaha. RC2 is Taijasaha. Idelle padichirkom. Idelle Tattva Bodhala. Vishwa ityuchyate, Taijasa ityuchyate. Then what? Sthula Shariranla reflect our consciousness. Kenna pere Vishwaha. So Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. This Atma gets the name Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. RC 1, 2, 3 ke Vishwa Taijasa Prajna nu peru. Inda pakka enna peru kuduthirkom? Ishvaraha. Karana prapancha prathibimbita Atma ke Ishwaran peru. And Sthula prapanchala reflect ahara Atma ke enna peru? Hiranyagarbha nu peru. Sthula Sukshma prapanchala reflect ahara consciousness. Sukshma prapanchala reflected ahara consciousness ke Virat anu peru. Virat Hiranyagarbha Ishvara Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. In the pakka individual and the pakka total. Now read the next portion. Evam upadhi bhedam. Evam upadhi bhedat. Jiveshwara bheda drishtihi. Yavat paryantam tishtati. Tavat paryantam. Janma maranadi-rupam. Samsaro na nivartate. Evam, in this manner. Upadhi bhedat. Medium. Because of the difference of the medium. Mediums are how many? 3 mediums. Individual level 3 mediums. Total level 3 mediums. Bigger medium, gross medium, subtle medium, causal medium. Okay? Gross body, subtle body, causal body. Gross universe, subtle universe and causal universe. All these are mediums are different stages. Subtlety, grossness, subtlety, they have difference. In subtle you cannot see, gross you can see. Even subtle you feel, even causal you cannot feel. Like seed, sprout and tree. Causal is like a seed, subtle is like a sprout and gross is like a tree. How much difference is there, you see? Lot of difference is there. But cause is one seed, no? And the seed kulla irukkira tattvam. But you can see the difference. Similarly, total level. Causal universe, very difficult to comprehend. Subtle universe, waters, fire, principle, without sense organs you cannot see at the subtle level. Once they become gross only you can see. That too even space you cannot see, air you cannot see. 3 elements da paaka mudiyarudhu namakku theriyama. Fire, water, earth. What about 3 elements? You cannot see. Irukka illaya? Space irukka illaya? Air irukka illaya? Paakalaye Swamini nanu. Illiyanu solla mudiyuma? Irukka. So namakku kannukku ettaadadu kaadukku ettaadadu kuda irukku appaarpattadu. How difficult to grasp them. What happens here? Evam upadhi bhedat. Because of this gross sthula sukshma karana bhedat, jiva ishvara bheda drishtihi. Consciousness is one only, pavam. Consciousness is reflecting one. Because our engyo irkar, total. Naan engyo irke. Jiva, I am jiva in this one body. Our vandi total. Jiva ishvara bheda drishtihi. The vision of seeing the difference between Jiva and Ishvara. This Jiva and Ishvara name, because of whom actually it has come? One consciousness. One consciousness only this Jiva and Ishvara name. But because of Upadhi is different, it is a total level, it is individual level. Upadhi bhedat, Jiva Ishvara bhedat. What happens? Drishtihi yavat paryantam tishtati. As long as it is there, yavat paryantam na ettana naal tishtati irkumo. Edi, I am ordinary human being. Mirror. I am taking the mirror, I am taking the reflection as myself. And I am taking Ishvara, reflection is different, Ishvara's medium is different. But who is reflecting? One Atma. But Bheda Drishti enge, you are looking at the mirror. You are looking at the mirror, you are looking at the reflection in that. But you have forgotten the original. So therefore what happens in the Bheda Drishti irkaravarukku, Tavat Paryantam, Attana naal, enna irukum? Janma Marana. In the body and death. I have birth, I have death. I have birth, I have death. Janma Marana, enna idu? Samsara. Samsaram na nivartate. Samsara will never go. So என்னதா பண்ற சொல்றேன் சுவாமி, ஒரே ஆர்எம் ஆர்சி அப்புறம் ஓசின்னு. What you have to do? Next line says, Tasmat karanat na jiveshwarayoho bheda buddhihi svikarya. Tasmat, therefore what? Once you have bheda drishti, difference is, you see, your janana marana limitation will continue. Therefore, tasmat karanat, because of this above reason, because of that bheda drishti, I am different from Ishvara. Ishvara is different from me. I am dasaha, our Swami. அவர் ஒரு கோயிலில் உட்கார்ந்துருக்காரு, அவர் வந்து மேலே ஸ்வர்க்கத்தில் உட்கார்ந்துருக்காரு, நான் இங்கே திண்டாடிட்டு இருக்கேன், கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்கேன். இந்த பேத திருஷ்டி இருக்கு இல்லையோ, எத்தனை நாள் இருக்குமோ அந்த பேத திருஷ்டினால வந்து அந்த சம்சாரம், ஜனன மரண சம்சாரம், அந்த காரணத்தினால் என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஜீவ ஈஸ்வர பேத புத்தி ந ஸ்வீகாரிய. அந்த பேத புத்தி இருக்கு இல்லையோ, அது எடுக்காது. Don't take that difference. Don't look at Ishvara is different from you. Don't look at Ishvara is different from Veda Buddhi. Buddhi means what? Notion, idea, a concept. ஆலோசனை. எந்த ஆலோசனை? அவர் வேறு நான் வேறு. இது என்ன? இது அவர் வேறு நான் வேறு என்னது? என்ன எண்ணம்? எண்ணமா இல்லையா? I think Ishvara is different from me. He is almighty, all powerful. I am a limited human being. இந்த பேதம் திருஷ்டி என்ன? திருஷ்டி என்ன? பார்வை. பார்வை என்ன? நோக்கம். போதுமா தமிழ்? திருஷ்டி என்ன? பார்வை. பார்வை என்ன? கண்ணால பார்க்கறது இல்லை, நோக்கம். நோக்கம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? எண்ணம். எண்ணம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? தாட். சுவாமி என்ன லாங்குவேஜ் எல்லாம் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. அவர் என்ன பண்றது? அப்படி சொன்னாதான் புரியும். Whole problem is because of notion. When problem is at notional level, correction must be what level? Notional level. Notion comes where? in the mind. Mind is where when you get any thought in the intellect, in the புத்திங்கிறது intellect. இந்த இன்டலெக்டில் தான் இந்த தாட்டே வருது இல்லையா? இந்த இன்டலெக்டில் தான் தாட்டு வருது. எப்படிப்பட்ட தாட்டு? தப்பான ஒரு எண்ணம். அந்த தப்பான எண்ணம் இங்கே இருக்கிறது. அது என்ன பண்ணணும்? இப்போது தப்பான எண்ணத்தினால் வர ப்ராப்ளம் எதனால் போகும்? சரியான எண்ணம், கரெக்டான ஒரு எண்ணம் வரணும், ஒரு ஆலோசனை வரணும். அதில் கரெக்ட் யுவர் நோஷன். தட்ஸ் ஆல். புரியுறது? யூ ஹாவ் டு சேஞ்ச் யுவர் ஆட்டிடியூட். You have to change your attitude, nothing else. You need not do anything to Ishvara, you need not do anything to you. இந்த பேதம்ங்கிற பார்வை இருக்கு இல்லையோ, திருஷ்டி, இந்த விஷன், இது மாற்றணும். That's why problem is you, solution is you. Problem is because of difference. இந்த difference புத்தி, அந்த புத்தினை கரெக்ட் பண்ணினா ப்ராப்ளம் போயிடும். என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்? I have death, I have old age, I have problem, I have so many complaints. Husband problem, wife problem, children problem, house problem. என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை, எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம் தான் தெரியும். எப்போ? if you see the difference and you have forgotten the what? அங்கே ஒருத்தர் இருக்கார், அந்த ஓசி, அந்த ஓசி இதை இந்த மாயா இதெல்லாமே ஸ்தூல சுஷ்மா காரணம் இந்த பக்கம், அந்த டோட்டல் லெவல் ஸ்தூல சுஷ்மா காரணம் அந்த பக்கம், இது எல்லாமே பொய். And the reflection also பொய். Who is real? The mirror what you are seeing and the reflected face what you are seeing and original face. Here you are standing. Now three are there. I am standing in front of the mirror. My reflection is falling in the mirror and the mirror medium is there. Now in the mooditlo you are interested in what? You are interested in your face or you are interested in reflected face? Are you are interested in reflected face or you are interested in original face or you are interested in mirror? இது நன்னா தெரியுது, அது ஏன் தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது? Therefore I am not interested in causal body, subtle body, gross body. I am not interested in causal universe, subtle universe, gross universe. I am not interested in RC1, RC2, RC3. I am not interested in RC4, RC5, RC6. I am interested in what? Come to the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.